Areli, and in this video I want to talk to you a little bit about what is going on in my life and all the plans that I have for this channel. So first of all, I want to address that we are over 10,000 subscribers in this channel, and I am so grateful, so happy, and so glad that you guys are here supporting what I do. So I am very sorry that I haven't been able to upload videos as frequently as I would like to, being that I'm supposed to put up a video every single week. I've missed a couple of weeks, but that is because I am in the transition of moving. Yes, I know that I've been moving around a lot in the past couple of years, but this is more of a permanent situation, and it's a change for good, and it's gonna allow me to have my own office, and it's gonna allow me to have more time to dedicate to this. That is something that I love doing. So I promise you that from next month on, I will be uploading at least one video per week. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below so you don't miss any of these videos, because as I told you, I have a huge new plan for this channel that I'm going to tell you in a little bit. A second change that you might notice is that I changed my hair color, and I also cut it, and it's like it's a bit of a pink. I was going to go for like a little deeper pink, but it didn't come out as I hoped it would, but I like it though. Like I think it's kind of subtle, but it's very pretty. Anyway, that's like the least changes in this video. But the following change that is regarding this channel is the one that I am most excited about. I have this huge plan and this whole agenda that I'm preparing with all the ideas and all the things that I want to do with this channel. So I came to realize that there is 5 different themes that run across this channel that are the most prominent and the ones that I am most interested about, and I decided to give a day for each theme. That doesn't mean that I'm going to be uploading one video per day, but I would be uploading at least one video per week regarding one of these themes. So I want to talk to you about each of the days and each of the themes of each day. So the first day will be Monday, and on Monday we have Foodie Mondays. That means that on Mondays we will discuss anything regarding to food. We will have recipes, healthy food and snacks. We will have holiday snacks, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below, and I will be sure to take it into account. And second day will be Tuesday. That will be Travel Tuesday, and this will be everything related to travel. If I am traveling to a new city or country, and I will be like documenting everything. If I'm giving you tips of traveling to a certain place or travel tips in general. We'll also cover like maybe some events that are happening around where I am and so on. So all of these things will be uploaded on Tuesdays, and again, if you have any comments or suggestions that you would like to see, leave it down below. The next day will be Wednesdays, and we have DIY Wednesday. So this is one of my favorite and one of the biggest themes on this channel. So on Wednesdays we'll be having DIY projects, gifts, and even like home related projects. I'm moving into a new house, and there are some home projects that I'm doing, so I would like to maybe share those with you. If you are interested in those, or if you have any other things that you would like to see on DIY Wednesdays, please leave it down below. The following day is Thursday, and on Thursdays we have Talk and Live Thursdays. So on Thursdays we will have a little bit more relaxed videos, kind of like this one, where I'm talking to you about a certain subject. We will also have some tags, maybe some daily vlogs if you are interested in that, and stuff related to that. So again, any suggestions that you would like to see on Thursdays, leave it down below. And last but not least, we have Friday. And on Fridays we have Fashion Fridays, which is another one of my favorites and another of the big themes of this channel. So on Fridays we will have hauls, we will have how to style videos, we will have hair, makeup, and everything related to fashion. So this is all the 5 themes themes that we will have in this channel. I will leave the list and I will probably make a playlist where I will be saving all the videos of every single day. So if you are interested in a certain theme, it will be easier for you to find it. So yeah, those are the changes that I have planned for this channel. If you like it, please show your support by liking this video and sharing it with your loved ones. Again, please don't hesitate to leave the comments below because I read all of your comments and I respond to every single one of them. So don't be shy and leave me your comments and your suggestions down below. And again, if you are not subscribed to this channel, it shows a lot of support if you do it and you don't miss any videos and any of these cool things that are coming to this channel in the future. So yeah, those are all the things that I wanted to talk to you about today. I hope that you are as excited as I am. And you know that as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon.